You're watching Blowout TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Femi Aigbe Faithia Williams, Nkechi Blessing, and other Nollywood stars took to Instagram to congratulate movie star Bukunmi Oluwashina, who recently got married to her longtime lover of 11 years. The new bride shared moments from the wedding on Instagram page. Congratulation messages from Nigerian celebrities have trooped in for her via the comment section of her post and some on their various Instagram pages.
We were both so young and knew nothing about love when I found you. Odo ife kun aluwe, I'll beru pombe ni lao. Cause we held on to each other, then you taught me how to swim. I'm glad we made it here, look how far we've gone. We made it through the storm, now we are strong, now stronger. What is the moon with the sunshine? Kilo July see wrong, kill me like see wrong. I'm glad it's now you and I forever, forever. I know this journey could be scary. I have heard so many people's stories, but they are not us, and we are not them. So baby, let me make you this promise. I will carry all your children in my belly. If you wanna ride, I will be your Bentley. I will hold you every night and call you Zaddy. Cause baby, you're my sunshine. Kilo rula is so shukba. Kilo.
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, kindly comment, and share. Thank you, Boya TV.